Authentic beignets. We're about to try alligator. Is it hot? These are our pop bars. Pop bars.
You get a sample, maybe because you get a sample, so we don't even have to.
At least it feels good in here.
I want to
They're looking at birds. Alright guys, this is supposed to be crawfish. It's marinated crawfish on some bread. Daddy's about to try some marinated crawfish.
I feel like it tastes like shrimp or crab. I'm not sure.
And we found out that Daddy's allergic to shrimp. Oh, you know what? They're probably in the same family.
It tastes like shrimp.
I feel like they're probably in the same family.
It's like, it tastes like crab, but it got shrimp texture.
This is how we're looking. About to try crawfish for the first time. It is like shrimp. I feel like they're in the same family. Are you allergic to shrimp? Hey guys, we're eating crawfish. You want some more? Give me a few more bites. Right. It's not horrible.
It's not bad though.
It might be better than shrimp, yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Or they season it, yeah. They said they marinated it.
Yeah, that's not. I'll probably taste more.
It's not bad. It's not bad at all. So what do you get out of 5 stars?
It was pretty good. I give it a 3.
Juan's rating.
I give it a good 3, mainly because I'm not sure if this gray hair is gonna kill me.
Yeah, I keep thinking of something.
I'm not sure if I'm allergic to it. So I'm like, I don't want to keep trying it, and I start breaking out something crazy, and I only have one. I literally run. I brought all my medicine, that shit, all my allergy medicine. But
did you take one today?
I took one before we left here. I only brought one with us. So, season was great. I give the season 4 out of 5.
I give it a 4. It was really good.
The season was really good.
It's very similar to shrimp, but I think it's better than shrimp. It was good. I guess it's how you cook it and season it, but like if I was to cook it myself, it probably wouldn't be good, but it was good.
Yeah. Now you guys, we're about to go find an alligator shop.
Why are you so ashy? Look at my handsome husband. How'd I get so lucky? You look really good. I mean, it's not really light, but. How much? It said a 14.
I think it was 10. My fingers are so. I feel like.
Hubba hubba. This is a travel essential. Having a portable charger because my phone is on 5%. Got the gator bites. Daddy wants to try alligator. You sure you don't want a fork? I mean, he gone now, but you can try it first before you dip it. You about to try alligator. Is it hot? Huh? It do smell like funnel cake batter.
It's like funnel cake batter. It tastes like it with meat. Not too bad.
Okay, eat it again. You want to taste with the sauce?
Yeah. Not too bad. It's really hard to tell how that meat tastes. I don't taste nothing. It's the
batter.
I taste the skin.
It's hot. Goodness gracious.
What you think?
It's so seasoned, like.
Yeah, it's so seasoned. It's kind of.
The meat don't have a taste, yeah.
Yeah.
So you just taste the seasoning and the batter. The meat, honestly, it could be chicken for all I know. Mm. Hot. Fresh. I don't really taste no.
The meat.
Let me taste the sauce. That's giving me like, yeah.
Honey mustard, something.
Vinegar.
Pretty okay.
I'm glad it's a small server, but dang, this is $14 a little bit.
Maybe because it's a delicacy.
We're eating alligator right now, oh my gosh. Guys, we ate all of it in like 2 seconds. It was really good. Really, really, really good, guys. We definitely recommend the alligator bites. They're right there.
They're the most expensive thing up there too.
Get closer.
The king.
Closer, Galera. You stand hard for him, don't you? Look, guys, look, kids. We're in a toy store. Look at the animals. Oh, look at the
Todoroki, Deku, Bakugo.
There you look tall.
Demon Slayer. I mean, that's it. Tanjiro and his sister. I forgot her name.
Wait, you said Baby Yoda and who?
Baby Stitch.
Gotta make sure we get these at the bottom. Look at the princesses. Where Tiana at? Where Tiana at? Maybe she sold out. I'm just kidding.
Let me check one of these out. Which one? You want me to shake up? This man something.
You need a hand? You need something?
Show me the picture of that.
Now it's time for beignet time. We done had crawfish. We done had alligator. Almost had a frog. Almost had a cat.
Stop. Somebody's getting married. Or are they taking pictures? Are they getting married or taking pictures?
They're taking pictures.
Oh, cute. We're in the park. We're in the park.
Here, or do you want to go over there?
We're in the park, and our next adventure is trying beignets. Oh, it's cute. Look at all that sugar. Okay. Don't get it on your pants.
It's like a brown cake.
It's messy. Guys, I've been wanting to try this my whole entire life. Oh, I'm making a mess already. Look at all that powder, y'all. They were not playing, okay? So it comes with 3, so we both got our own.
Just split. We could take one back to the hotel.
I'm probably only gonna eat one. So it's very thick. Oh Lord, I can't start. So good. I ain't doing it on purpose. No, it's just bread with powdered sugar. Mm-hmm. Authentic beignets. Yo, while we trying to find an ice cream place after we just ate these beignets, we are living our best life. What is that though? A cake?
It's ice cream.
What in the world?
What the hell?
It's around here?
Yeah, but it must be a far walk. A 10-minute walk. Jeez, that's far.
Do they have a menu or not? How cute are these sleeves? I love these sleeves. Daddy don't really care for them, but they're so cute.
They got there's yogurt on a stick.
Yogurt on a stick. Let me get some views with my husband.
You got waffle pop, hot chocolate on a stick.
I don't look this good this way. But my husband is juicy.
Here's right here, it's called pop gelato.
Y'all, it feels so good outside. It's like 80 and cloudy.
Yeah, this is some good weather.
And we're under some trees. This is like perfect weather. We thought it was gonna be too cold because it's cloudy. We thought it was gonna rain, but it's like perfect. Perfect weather.
Wasn't good at it. They're just saying that the jobs aren't available.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we would see artists who are on the name. You know, by more than all of the other places combined, you can see here. Like I've been here almost half of my life. It's crazy. I wouldn't know if it was a sports thing because I don't follow. You know.
Yeah, we just moved to Virginia though. We started our journey in North Carolina.
Baby, look at it. So she's holding the birds. Okay, it's right here too. Oh wait, no, I don't think those are the flavors. All right, guys, these are our pop bars. Cute.